Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. So, do you ever have one of those days where you just don't want to be there and you just don't want to go to work that day? You don't want to go to school, or you just don't want to be there, and so you just basically check out, and you're just this useless blob of nothing that just sits around and just apathetically wanders through the day, and then you get through the day and then you move on to the next day. Well, that's what the tape was yesterday. Yesterday's Globex range was 11.25 handles. I only looked back a year because I got bored with it, but that's the smallest range by far in over a year. So basically what happened was the tape took the day off. It didn't really feel like being a tape yesterday. It felt like being nothing at all. And you can see it just kind of hung out. So the bulls had been doing this upswing off of 4 days of consolidation at the daily midband, went on up, took the day off, and now it's kind of picking up where it left off. So I don't really have anything new to tell you beyond what we talked about yesterday. The bulls missed the opportunity for an upper band ride. That's the one thing. The bears missed the opportunity to do anything at all. So I mean, we just hung out in here. 62 quarter to 73.75. 11.5 handles. So, last night on some China news, they popped it up and over. They've been kind of sustaining it ever since. 85.75 printed about 10 minutes ago. In order for them to do the upper band and try to re-engage the band for another look at a potential band ride, they're going to have to print 90 or better today. So, off the open, I'm looking at 79 to 81. As far as an area of potential support. I feel as strongly about the bulls today as I did a couple days ago. And it's not that I feel negative about the bears, but the bears are going to have to show somebody something. They're going to have to convert a level. I mean, anything. They're going to have to take out a prior day low. They're going to have to make a statement. Because in a vacuum, this thing wants to bleed higher, and on news, this thing wants to rip higher. So, I was saying yesterday, this is the kind of tape that makes you want to fight it. So I had a red day yesterday. I took some paper cuts because I'm not gonna scalp trade edges of that range because I don't want that. I want the move out of it. So I'll take my -1, -2 bumps and bruises along the way in that kind of a tape. I resigned myself a long time ago that kind of a tape I'm not going to perform well in. And you get frustrated in the moment, but at the same time, if the thing doesn't want to go anywhere, then just let it not go anywhere. It's totally fine. I mean, that thing was like a Christmas week tape. I mean, it did zip. So I'll be interested to see off the open if they can hold. They really need to hold at worst yesterday's high, which is 73.75. If the bulls can hold that and make a higher high, then it can go from there. The bears need to take out yesterday's low, 62 quarter. Problem is that's coming from 20 handles higher. So that's where we have it. So we need to look at those areas off the open. 79 to 81 first and foremost, and if the bulls can get over 90, can they sustain it up there, or is it going to get rejected back? So lots of questions this morning. The good news is the tape's moving again, so it's kind of shocked itself out of its stupor. So should be a great day. We'll be on Instagram 9:20 to talk everybody into the opening bell. I will check you guys out then. Take care. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.